them and still rock. A super song for the cause. Feel a load in your brain for the episode. And we're just begun. Brother Black, the beat is back.
These happens again and wake up. These happens again and wake up.
And you don't, I won't. If you're still, I will take 3 jams and hold them. This was I told them. Rock the other side, the sucker lied. Said he was shocking, but never tried it. So I took him away, I never stayed, y'all.
These happens again and wake up.
He made a jam to get you slammed back to back in the place where the suckers are basing. Whatever it takes to make it hardcore. That's what you buy for. Pulling your ride, the DJ decides to play it on the radio. The A side, he gives it a try, never really gives it a try. People request the best on the beat.